kill them? There's a body. He's on the road.
Something else was shooting at him.
Yep, that's our drone. He's right in front. Damaged him. I'm gonna try and get you so you can shoot right into him.
Oh, I'm running.
My drone, he's burned.
That's pretty fucking accurate. JB, between me and you, if you're looking where I'm looking, he's up by this rock.
Fuck me. Got a car coming to the bridge.
Car leaving town.
Tony's down. Guy got out.
At least one shoot landing behind you. I'm going into town right now. It is clear, the gun store itself, and I'm going to go grab ammo for Zafir.
Zone getting shot up here.
From?
Nope, JB
down.
saved me.
God.
Where's that coming from? You guys know?
Yeah, there's like, oh, more. Oh, you got me. Damn it. Just had a pistol.
There's a guy below Spencer Ave and killed him out.
4. I killed that guy in the hill you were shooting.
Nice, thank you. It was really hard to hit him. I see one running through the church.
Chopper coming in, not sure if it's friendly or
I think it's friendly.
not. It's coming in from the east-south. East. Not friendly, not friendly.
Got him. Locked onto the thing he was.
Dead. Come
Yeah.
back.
Oh, it's been a real fest here.
He just ran into this house.
Got him.
Nice. Let's get out of here, guys. We can shoot him from far. You don't have to be here.
I'm in, Commander.
If you want to just jump in,
Does anyone need ammo?
I'm good for everything I need. I'm gonna get him. Please get in, please get in.
Side. Damn it, I'm treating him.
Oh my god, we're gonna get 18 so bad.
There's 3 guys in the gun store. This guy's saying.
Sorry. Alright. I'm out.
Go, go, go!